Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to log out your Twitter account on your iOS device. First step is open your Twitter app. In the top menu, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner and then scroll down and tap Setting and Privacy is the second last option. Then tap your account and then tap Account Information is the first option. And then tap Logout is the last, right? Are you sure you want to log out of Twitter? Yes, I am log out my account. Log out. Now your account is logged out on your app.
There is also a problem with this video. So ask about these comments any problem related to social media and internet. Let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.